Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money to bank account in Shopee app. Let's start. So Shopee app, guys, is actually one of the most popular online shopping apps in the Philippines and I'd say pretty much Asia because you could order items also from China and there's a lot of sellers not just located in the Philippines. However, this online shopping app also established their own wallet, so you could pretty much make money movements or money transactions here. If you would wish to withdraw money to your bank account, just go to your wallet, and then you could see, where or what tool would you like to have your money withdrawn. So go to Shopee Pay. In Shopee Pay, there's an option here for you to do bank transfer. So if you click on bank transfer, you would be able to put your bank details in there. Now, because we do have a very helpful, Shopee help, okay? So you can also go to help.shopee.ph, and here you could see how you could transfer. So let me just set that up for you. And then yeah, so from here, see, you go to Shopee Wallet. And just like what I mentioned, just tap on bank transfer. You add the new bank account and then just put the bank details in there. And then, yeah, so this is pretty helpful. I don't need to do anything on my app. So there, just put the money what you need to transfer, hit on next, and then send money now. Then, of course, you put your Shopee Pay PIN just to make sure that it's secured. And then that's it. So that's how easy it is to withdraw money, guys, to your bank account. And then you could also go to this page, help.shopee.ph, and then it will show you like step-by-step instruction how it's done. So there, I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.